Alright, here we have this 1995 Payne Teardrop air conditioner that I've filmed before. It has an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. I think it's new, but I'm not for sure. It used to have a blanket, so it's possible that the blanket just preserved it, and that's why it looks new. Yeah, 1995 5-ton. And the suction line is ice cold and sweaty. It's working really good. There's another startup of this Lennox. They got a startup shutdown of in 2022. Got a couple requests to get it starting up again, so I figured I'd include it with the Payne Teardrop since it's also from 1995. It's a 3.5 ton. The suction line is ice cold. It's also working really good. Liquid line is very hot, probably close to outdoor temperature, which is about 95. Probably can't see it, but it does have a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Alright. I guess that'll be about it.